Gallery reform.
The Canal Gallery.
Canals?
Of course, a marvel of early industrial engineering and a highly efficient way of carrying goods from place to place.
Text to visor.
If you examine a map of England, you'll find, because of these new man-made canals, there's nowhere south of Durham more than 15 miles from transport by water. In our industrial areas, there's now cheap and easy communication from the very heart of each town to our chief commercial port and to every other part of the kingdom.
So which one was used to shift line?
The Leeds Liverpool.
Select aerial probe. More data, please.
Completed in 1816. Total length 141 miles.
There were 300 horses in stables along its banks, 1,000 barges, 1,200 people employed by the canal company.
It's a lot of work building this just for line.
That was just one of the things this canal carried. It took pig iron, slate, flagstones, grain, machinery.
Load graphic.
All right, I'll have that one.
Bradford selected.
Is that a mill?
Salts Mill in Saltaire.
Right.
Bingley selected.
What's that?
The Bingley five-rise locks.
Load vertical plane.
Locks were needed to get barges up and down hill.
Burnley selected.
Request ground probe.
Trafalgar Mill.
It's right in the water.
Factories were built beside canals because industry needs transport to survive. And they need cheap transport so the goods are not too expensive for the customer. These were warehouses below and weavers' houses above. That's Clock Tower Mill. It once produced woolen goods.
And they shifted the goods by canal, right?
Raw materials in and finished textiles out through Liverpool and across the world.
More data.
By road, one horse could carry 150 kilos. By canal, one horse could pull a barge carrying 25 tons.
Here's the main warehouse and a wharf for loading and offloading the barges. Accrington, Blackburn, Chorley, Wigan, Burscough, a canal town where the barges brought night soil from Liverpool.
Night soil.
Actor loop engaging.
Foul work, but someone has to do it. Bigger Liverpool gets, bigger the problem. All that night soil, all that shit, pardon the phrase, clogging up the privies and overflowing into some poor Egypt's cellar.
Ugh, that's gross. What's this got to do with trade?
There's a problem, a pile of human excrement in Liverpool. But transport, the canal, comes to the rescue and removes it in bulk. And not only that, they sell the manure to farmers, so trade's boosted too. Better transport, more trade.
Data to visor. Pig iron, 1750, output 28,000 tons. 1850, output 2,250,000 tons. Cotton, 1750, 1,300 tons. 1850, 3,600,000 tons.